Right, today not only calendars, something exciting came in the post. Hello fellow yarn lovers, welcome to day 3 and probably day 4 of my advent calendar openings. So I'm going to open day 3 of the massive actual yarn calendar, and then I'm going to open day 3 on this smaller one, which is right here. Which one should we do first? So we'll do this one first, right? So this one right here. So let me have a look. So we've already had like a King Cole one. We've already had a little Rico skein. I'll do it this way. I'll do it this way. So hang on, you stay closed. 3 days till I get you. Oh, I can see green. Let's have a look. Ah, something fell. Oh, it's like a something to dangle it with. It's like a little gold, like, oh hang on, there's a jewel. Can you see? There's a little jewel in there. There's a little yellow jewel. So this might be something bougie. Oh, it's stuck in there. It's probably Signet Pato DK. Does it match any? Actually, yeah, it matches it perfectly. So there's this one. It's probably about 25-30 grams of like a nice green colour. Oh, I'm guessing it might be a wreath. Oh, that's so cool. Because I've got one of these. So let me just pop this down. Like a little lightweight wooden hoop. There's the pattern. And then we've got some red. So like a tiny bit of red. I'm guessing it's for berries, but we'll find out in a second. So let me just pop this on my knee. I'm going to show you the picture. I'm going to hide the pattern for obvious reasons. Oh, it is a wreath. It says candle wreath. Oh, right. Okay, so that's what the little jewel will be for. So can you, let me hide the pattern. Can you see the picture? I mean, you're going to see it anyway when I make it like the weekend. But that is the picture right there. So that's cool. And then you'll hang it in your tree. That goes well with my tree theme. Because as much as people might think that I have a pink Christmas theme in my house, I don't. I'm actually quite traditional. I do have green and gold and red, and it's been like that for years. I don't think I could do pink at Christmas. Like, it doesn't, pink for me doesn't scream Christmas like gold and green and red do. Hence, I have those colours on my tree. So, right, let me just put these back in and fold it back in there because I'm going to do them all on Saturday. So, yeah, that was day 3. Now, we're going to do the big one. We're going to do day 3 on this one. Right, so I just need to get my my TikTok phone is hidden to the side now, so I'm going to get my TikTok phone up, which is other half's phone, and it's recording. Right, so let's open this one up. Day 3. I'm excited. So let's just recap. Day 1 we had Signet Pato DK in red, and then no, sorry, this was day 2. Day 1 we had the Papatia Batik, and then day 2 we had Signet Pato DK. So let me open this up. Oh my god, wow. Hang on. What is this? Oh, this looks like good old fashioned DK. Oh, it is. Look at this colour. Oh my god. Oh, such a nice colour. So let's just take a look at this. Right, so good old fashioned DK funky prints. These are like 280, yeah, 280 metres. If you've seen my Beetlejuice cardigan, well, it's not Beetlejuice. It's my stripy cardigan tutorial that is made out of good old-fashioned DK because it is just a good DK. It might not be as soft as other ones, but I mean, it gets the job done. It washes well, and like, I love this stuff. I'm not bothered about bouge sometimes, so I will just use good old-fashioned DK. So it is 100% acrylic, 100 grams, 280 metres. You can wash it at 40. I don't think you can dry this. I don't think so, no. You can't dry it, but it's a good yarn. Like this is like, this just screams hat on my knitting machine. So I will be using this to make a hat because I know certain little humans that would like these cool colours. I mean, if I get 2 of them, then I'm going to say it, I could make a scarf, which I probably would, you know. But you know what, I've never made a scarf on the knitting machine, so that might be something I could try out if I get 2 of these. But yeah, definitely like a hat of some sort, because yes, there are teensy humans that would appreciate this. So anyway, since it's day 3 and I'm giving you these updates every 2 days, I am not really any further along with the squares for this cardigan. Well, when I say I'm not really further along, like I've dropped them all over the floor. When I say I'm not really further along, I have made like more of the squares, which yes, I need to film the tutorial. I will try and get this up like as soon as the gingham cardigan one is up. Then I've got loads of little tutorials which are quite, I say they're quite fast to make. Like I'm a bit slow at like organising myself, sorry. But yes, I've made lots of these, and I just need to put on like the gold ribbon bit and then do the granny square, and then they all get a little bow on them. So there's about 5 or 6 of these lying down over there, so I will just continue with those. I need to make about 22 more squares, so it is what it is. Anyway, I've waffled on long enough. I'm gonna see you for day 4, which is now. Right, it's day 4. It is time to do the calendars again. I'm not wearing the same outfit. I don't think I'm wearing the same outfit. Tell you what, all days just blend into one, and this week has gone so fast. Anyway, right, so I've got number 4 right here. I've got number 4 on the other. Number 6 has popped open. I've got number 4 on the other one to do, and then I got this in the post and I got it off eBay. I'll tell you the story in a second once I've opened these calendars here. So right, we've got number 4 here. So day 4 on my yarn advent calendar. I'm just going to press the button so I can turn this into a TikTok as well. So give me a second. It is another, there it is, Signet Pato DK, 270 meters, 100 grams. You can wash this at 40. I'm just switching off the other, I was going to say Twitter. I'm switching off the other camera. I'm really pleased with this. So it might have been an on purpose thing or a not so on purpose thing, but I've got 2 of these, which I'm going to make a scarf. I can probably, I always say this, I could probably, like, you can get a decent sized scarf out of 2 of these balls here, or I could use these in a project. So if I was going to make, for example, here's a hint for 2025, a rose garden themed hexagon cardigan, and I just wanted red roses, then 2 of these would contribute very nicely to that. Not that I've got a shortage of reds, but you know, I always like more things in my collection. So yeah, let's move on to the second calendar. I'll just grab it. Right, number 4. Let's have a look. I'm going to open it so that you can see, and I can see, because I've not looked in this. I've never had a sneak peek apart from in this guy, which is, I don't even, yeah. Okay, oh, I've got brown. What's it? Oh, there's a little teensy holly. There's a little holly there. Let me just put it somewhere safe where it's not going to get lost. So we've got brown. I don't know what brand of brown it is, but it's nice. It's really soft and squishy. I'm assuming it could be like this. Oh, hang on. Actually, this is thicker. This looks like an Aran weight. So let me just pop it with the holly so the holly doesn't get lost. Oh, we've got sparkles. Now that is giving king cole glitz, maybe? I'm not sure, but there's that. So what could possibly be white and brown? Let me just, I'm just going to put this on my knee. I'm intrigued. What could be white and brown? Is it a Christmas pud? I think it's Christmas pud. Let's have a look. It is, it's a Christmas pud. Let me show you the picture. Oh, that looks real cute. That has a lot of instructions. Wow. 22 rows. Anyway, let me just cover the pattern, because obviously you didn't buy it, I did. So it's going to look like this, apparently. So, like, hopefully Saturday or Sunday, I should have myself a little Christmas pud. Oh, how can you do dripping like that? Oh, I get it, I get it. I didn't know how to make the icing go up and down, but I get it now. See, I don't usually use patterns. My brain just builds it. Anyway, so right, that was 2 of those. Now you want to know what's inside this, and so do I, because it's all sealed up. I've not opened it yet. I saw someone. I don't know if I follow them or not. Maybe I do. Anyway, that's not the point. So I saw them on TikTok, and then that person said, oh, this book is amazing. It's from, like, I'm going to say the 70s or 80s. And if anybody watches like ITV or This Morning, there is like a TV presenter / personality called Giles. I'm gonna try and Google a picture of Giles and put Giles here, so because I love Giles. So he's a very eccentric older gentleman, Giles, and I love him. And he wrote a book way back in the, you know, the 80s or the 70s. I'm not sure. I just saw this and I was like, I need that. So I went onto eBay, and this book, I'll open it whilst I'm talking. So I went onto eBay, and this book on eBay was bloody expensive. It was like, there was some people selling it for £40, and it's really well packed. There were some people selling it for like £50 and £60, and I was like, what on earth? Like, this must be a good book if it's that price, or maybe it's just like the vintage element of it making it that price. I'm nearly in. It is as well. Oh, me thinking I wasn't going to get the book, but it is. Oh my god, it's actually here. Right, so it's still packed really safely. So yeah, Giles wrote this book. It's called Wit Knits, and it's all the patterns for all of these like crazy like jumpers that he's got. So it smells old. It smells like it's been in storage. I hope you will be pleased with your pattern book. Happy knitting. Regards, Sylvia. Thank you, Sylvia, if you ever see this. Yeah, so Giles wrote this book, Wit Knits. Look at this. Oh my god. And you've got like, so like when I was little, growing up in the 90s, like all these celebrities would have been quite young. And like in here, I don't know, is it 70s or 80s? Let me find it. So we've got all of, look at this cat jumper, that's amazing. So all of these patterns here. So so George and Giles have written this. Is that Giles? I don't know, because he's so old now. I don't know what he looked like when he was younger. But apparently there's loads of like old British celebrities in here. Wait, Knits, there's no date on there. It used to be £9.95. Oh, but I was saying, so loads of people had it for really expensive. Oh my god, it's 1985. This book is older than me. Wow. So with Knits on a jumper there. I'm not going to show you everything. But let's just see, there's some really good ones. There's like a cat pattern there. Can you see it? Oh, that's so, you probably could translate some of these patterns over to crochet. Like that's the jumper. But like, because I've said like one of my 2025 goals, oh, that's so funny. I don't know, I recognise this guy. Is he the guy that used to have a massive hammer? I don't know. If you know, like, who's this down in the comments? Is it Timmy Mallet? I don't know. Like, because I was really young, so I don't know. There's a panda there anyway. So these would translate nicely over to tapestry crochet. No way, is that Joanna Lumley? Oh my god, is it? Is it Joanna Lumley? Shut up, I think it's Joanna Lumley. That's amazing, that's amazing. Oh my god, I'm gonna sit and have a proper go through this. Look at this, you can have a toucan on there as well. I recognise her as well. Look at the strawberry on there, that is so 80s. Anyway, right, I'm gonna have so much fun with this, and it's gonna contribute to my 2025 goal of being able to knit, because like, I don't know, is it Teddy? I'm getting distracted. So yeah, that's amazing. I'm so pleased with this. This is like an early Christmas gift to myself to help me accomplish my knitting goals. But yes, I'm going to try and teach myself via YouTube how to knit. I'm pretty sure there's places near me do like knitting, like little like workshops and classes, but I taught myself to crochet, so I'll probably manage just fine. It hasn't gone well so far, but I will eventually learn to knit and everything will be fine, and I will possess a jumper from with Knits. Anyway, I've rattled on long enough. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It does help it in the algorithm. If you're not subscribed already, I mean, look at this, look at this. I'm going to make one of these at some point in 2025, so you can subscribe just to watch me muddle my way through that. And I probably will try and translate some of these into crochet, like with a tapestry of some sort, because why not? So yeah, subscribe for all the shenanigans, and I'm going to be back again for days 5 and 6. What day is it today? It's Wednesday. I'll be back. I'll see you on Friday for days 5 and 6.